wura Baumia no yetumi man a chance no course no to me lay that foundation in answer because
me the one was I'm
say foundation in ebema Ghana san ko back so at
I'm mama man will say more Ghana the Ghana future palm because sa tax return ya de no eno modwuma na me say Baumia ene na na do mo ye no na Ghana for still na am say yeah wa control we have as educate Ghana for mo say we na ma broche for wotoye no Ghana for kan enti na mo amote control mo amuni mi di komo yi mama man will say mo twere Ghana da ache na mo nim Ghana future baby Baumia ne na na do de ko enti sansem we betena so wa sa kan na ye di besie no 2 minutes I'm say na Jagazi enkom hye ene asofofo no bi kon hye ena ya party amekuo no edi omani atoso adwene wo say oh nyamkopon be ye nyame de beba power nyame ka say obefa sofo we so de beba power nti ama ya party MPP no any NDC do mama o ma adwene nyina say ye prophet ho anwan prophet Asimesi or the beba power bet and some me no tie kan asega ni me no nyina agitum se so mutia party bia obetio obetena konwa mache when periferi betie o so free kasa mutie wase the prophecy no invested into ese o mu invest eti ebia MPP for person o mu ko invest e wo prophecy bi emu sei na bia o mu invest na de o mu ba power dia ene ye de no muntie but so my invest no betie de na ye YouTube said de o me power ti mu tie na ye comment 2 minutes de enko
Sabato be kumuni power already
came to me and told me that the nation should bring back Kwame Dramani of the NDC.
Sir,
the Lord said he should bring back Kwame Dramani of the NDC. And the Lord said through Kwame Dramani of the NDC, it's going to place the nation on a good place. The Lord said. So when the Lord said that, I prayed and I've invested. I want to say here and then that every prophecy has an investment to be made in. If the NDC should plan, think and invest now, in the history of Ghanaian politics, in the history of
and for which ye my apostle was a prophecy now I will invest it. Every prophecy have an investor. It just John Mama which is an investor. And was investing in social media. So it just be before the year. Or would the prophecy moon no my invest in social media so there. Or we not invest in the carry your money.
Maybe I am to was here. You went to me, Akasa.
Yeah, Mr. Mafo, Shasi, send yes, Shasi, and the baby do or last.
You bet to me, Akasa. Maybe Sabato. Yanton Casabato. Or Mike, and what he said
in Ghana. I don't think that God has given present to any prophets. I saw the NDC win the next general election with 52.1%. I saw the NDC win the general election. If they should plan and think now, win with 52.1%. Hear me and hear me. The next prophecy. The Lord said we should pray for one actor.
Now, if we enter no Ajana one, Ajana two,
who has seen an actor in his name. In fact, the Lord has given him international exposure. I saw that he had been shot.
Mon family, West Ham, you see the fine. I saw for no Okodim Kwalacha, now so soon dam.
Africa. I want a Ghana from Penny for by the Tia, woman, sir, I say, John Mama invest was our prophecy. It's me a short song, so invest in womb, and Lieutenant Danny Daniel, I say no, prophecy no lusu. Ama I say no, akoba se kan Japan na ehunu amane wo ho because say investor no ese oye adwuma de John Mahama ba wa ma 2024 dia na ese John Mahama ba kwagini sika eti ensama no odenti and before so be say ya kire mo say this is the problem where MPP need to fix so that investor we no de John Mahama kwagini sika back na dia boa me ahwe nyanka ni misia amom so ko school free eti mo dwon ho say.
Well, first of all, the American said there is no political leader in Ghana. True, you know, or believe you say those prophecies are spiritual issues. So, Emma Mobeye, Omudim Kunimo, Abaimo. I was so found to Tim Kesse. Obi Amanyoko Penny Biani Hodge say, Najogezi, Anaso Usubempa, 18 bomb paye. Emma wie mutumi emma ne babeye omampanyini aya tricks one say obi a wasu amoma ko akiri bia no those credibilities we no njidie kase we na ni nemu na de akwa ni say omo ko asore no na eye target no enti no de amanyokuofuo no ye ne say omo to pastors no said the bear so more preacher no more kese omo nyankopon yi a kire mo say nipa simasi e na ebedi nkunim wa abato no ma asori ni na ote ho apasa no kese onyi ne pants kura na obeyi no automatically wa man condition he has conditioned the mindset and the decision to make it during the election time entry mpainfo no mo wa manyoko nunum directly say it's not about spiritual word, but a psychological mode. Or multimedia gather a lot of votes from the various churches.
Now, try the name one. Said a suffer car said John Mahama and the winner. I saw the money in our budget. And the Bible says, I day. John Mahama fast and quite no was all them water.
I said, now, who said, oh, no, you're funny. Adebio, you're funny in doctrining people, changing the psychological psychological set of a human being. Ono sana jogezi no enye nne na oye adwuma man this you. Enti nipa bi obekọ na asore ho bia no, he will try from the beginning. So the be show tim say oba asore we nko ade a and this na ye aban bia e wo se onto abamma no because a exchange and na jogezi any this amanyo ko no me dem supporters bebrɛw na won so di sika ama me nim say dey make am
na me di boni bi kura one supporters na abaka me eti eze o ba je say
yes and na
said